Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to use video effects in Google Meet. Go to your settings and tap on the option Advanced Features. Tap on Video Effects. First of all, we need to enable the video effects. Then here you can see the background colors. So according to your choice, you can select the colors. Okay, so if you want to change the background images, then tap on the option plus icon, then it will directly open your gallery, and from here you can select the image. Now here you can select the image. Now here I am going to select this image. Tap on done. Now you can see successfully the background image is set. Now after this one, you can easily open the Google Meet and you can easily start the video call with the effect. So simply in this way we can use the video effects in Google Meet. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.